If you notice any suspicious activity related to your Saxo Bank account, it's important to report it promptly to ensure security and that of other users. Follow these steps to report any concerns effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Before reporting, collect all relevant details about the suspicious activity. This includes transaction dates, amounts, account numbers, and any communication you receive that seems unusual. Step 2. Log into your Saxo Bank account. Access your Saxo Bank account through the official website or mobile app. Ensure you are using a secure network to protect your information while logging in. Step 3. Navigate to the support section. Once logged in, locate the support or help section of the website or app. This area typically contains resources for reporting issues and contacting customer service. Step 4. Use the reporting tool. Look for a specific tool or form dedicated to reporting suspicious activity. Fill out the required fields with the information you gathered in Step 1, providing as much detail as possible. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you cannot find a reporting tool, or if you prefer direct communication, contact Saxo Bank's customer support via phone or chat. Explain the situation clearly and provide the details you collected. In conclusion, reporting suspicious activity quickly is crucial for your safety and the integrity of your account. By following these steps, you can ensure that your concerns are addressed promptly by Saxo Bank.